All right, welcome back to SoCal POS, showing you how to use future POS. Today we're going to go over how to split a ticket. You got people going out. Some people want their own check, other people want a different check. We're going to take a look at how to do that very simply through this video. Quick video again, you're going to log in with your PIN number or with your fingerprint or with your swipe, whatever you use. We got two customers here. One customer's got all of these, another customer's got all of these. Just in case you don't know how to do that quick review, we can start by adding a new table. We don't need to add a new table, but let's just do it the right way. We're on table number 4, and table number 4 is going to get a couple of things for this person and a couple of appetizers, okay? And then the next seat is going to get these things, and they're going to have, you know, a bottle of wine, all right? And I'm going to send this order off to the kitchen, all right? We're going to first, let's learn how to split this bottle of wine. Let's say that, hey, you know what? We're going in halvesies on the wine, okay? We're going to go to user function. You're going to find your button that says split price. Split price. Here it is on this particular. This will be in different places on your POS system depending on how we have it set up. But you're looking for split price or split button. We're going to choose this item. We're going to split it. And it's only going to split with one other person on the ticket because there's only one other person on the seat. Now, if you have multiple people there, let's say you got a few people there, okay, and I wanted to move a couple of these things into each one of these guys' check, I'll choose the item, okay, and then I'll choose the seat. I'll choose the item. Now, there's two French soups here, so watch what happens when I choose seat number 4. It's not going to move both of them over. It's just going to move one. Okay, if I want to move both, I need to do that. The system can be programmed to ask you how many you want to move as well. All right, now I got four seats. Okay, here's this bottle of wine. 3 of them are going to split the price, not 4. Okay, so we're going to split the price, and it's going to ask me, it's going to highlight, hey, you want to split it amongst all 4 people? Nope, person number 4 is not drinking. They're just having their onion soup. Everybody else is going to split the price of that cab, and now it's $25, $25, $25 on there. So that splits it on the ticket. Now it's time to settle the check. You want to settle everybody with their own things. So make sure everybody's got what they got on there here, and you're going to hit this separate print. Okay, that's going to print tickets with everyone's own check on there. When you go to settle the check, once they say, okay, that's good to go, they give you a bunch of credit cards. You hit settle check, and it's going to ask you, do you want to settle it all on one, or do you want to settle individually? So I'm going to settle person number 1 by themselves. Okay, I'll hit okay. Here's person number 1, 43 bucks is what they owe. Okay, we're going to cash them out. Cash means that I got the exact amount. Otherwise, I will put the dollar amount that I have. They give me a 50. I'm going to hit cash. It's going to tell me what my change is. Okay. This does not need to pop up, but it does pop up, and it can pop up for just a matter of seconds without the okay. It's totally up to how you want to schedule at your store. All right. I'm going to settle this next check. Okay. And in this one, this couple are getting theirs together. Okay. Boom. It's going to put those two guys together. All right. They want to do $20 on a credit card. Okay. And then they're going to do the rest in cash. All right. So I can do it like that, or I can do whatever it is that you want to do. So put the dollar amount, then put how they're paying. Credit, cash, check, loyalty points, whatever you got going. All right. And that's how you split items and settle checks. Thank you for joining on this one. Hope this was helpful. We're going to move forward with more videos. Continue to watch, learn how to use the front end of future POS.